Wala na naman po akong additional comment, sir. Yun na yun. We'll let the senators do their job. Well, yes, I think I've already said what I have to say. Uh, Tuloy-tuloy lang kung ano naman yung maitutulong namin as local government. Of course, we're doing our own parallel investigations. Ang importante dito, managot ang kailangan managot. Whether they're government officials, contractors, suppliers, um, politicians or career officials, importante may managot. Hindi pwedeng pagkatapos ng ilang buwan, tatahimik na lang ang issue, tapos magkakalimutan na tayo. Hindi pwede. Huwag tayong pumayag bilang mga mamamayang Pilipino, bilang government official, bilang ordinaryong mamamayan, bilang media. Huwag tayong pumayag na magkalimutan tayo after 2 months, after 2 years for that matter. Kailangan manatiling buhay yung issue. Kailangan makasuhan yung mga dapat kasuhan.